Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin and Belver Auto Spa, and today's video is going to be about the new Hybrid Solutions scratch repair kit. Now this goes for about 20 bucks on Amazon. Now, if you follow my channel, you're probably wondering why I'm buying a scratch repair kit when I have all kinds of compounds, polishes, polishers, all the detailing equipment. And that is because while your average scratch repair kit I think is just crap for a professional, this comes with not just the compound, but wipe-on clear to kind of build the clear coat back up. That's something I have not seen in a scratch repair kit before. I've seen, like, the paint pens that have the clear, but it kind of goes on globby, and then you got to sand it down. This should wipe on smooth and glossy, so they say. So we'll take a look at the kit. It says you got all this stuff included. So there's the wipe on clear. So it says it's got the clear coat fill and seal technology. That's really what I'm interested in. This isn't for chips, guys. This is for scratches. This is going to do anything for paint chips, so keep that in mind. But it's an all-in-one solution, repairs and renews clear coat paint imperfections. I mean, maybe you can use it for chips. I just don't think it would do that good. I think it's better for scratches. Now keep in mind, if a scratch is very, very deep, this will improve the look, but it's not going to get rid of it. If it's a medium to light scratch, it should make it disappear. But here's what all it comes with. And we're going to use everything in here. Compound, the clear coat, foam block, applicator cloths, and gloves. Directions, wash and dry. Car's already clean. I just cleaned it. Compound with a small cotton or microfiber cloth. Wrap cloth around 2 fingers. So we'll grab a microfiber for that. Wipe off residue. And polish will remove oxidation. Obviously, that's what polish does. Repair is wrap 2 layers of the cloth around the foam block. Apply it to the applicator cloth. It says 24 hours to cure before touching or polishing the surrounding area, so keep that in mind. I'm not going to go the full 24 hours and circle back to it. This is going on a car that's not that big of a deal. If touch-up paint is needed, obviously you do the touch-up paint first, then do the clear. Clear coat can be wiped on and immediately wiped off to conceal light scratches. Surface defects and road rash. So for, light scratches. Use a non-linting towel, so use a microfiber. It's got a QR code on the package somewhere. I don't see a QR code on here anymore. Oh, there it is. Right there. But yeah, anyways, let's get to it. So let me grab a microfiber towel, because we're going to need one. I'm going to grab one of the throwaway ones, though, because if I'm wiping off clear coat, I know it's not going to be useful again. So here's a cheap microfiber towel. Let's get over to the vehicle for the scratches, and we'll get started. But first, obviously, I do want to show you guys what's inside the kit. So they give you all these towels, little foam block, the compound, the wipe on clear, which is a nice little bottle, and then the gloves. Now, these are cheap gloves. They're like food service gloves. I'm not going to use those, but they're there if you need them. So anyways, let's get over to it. Alright, here's a nice little scratch I noticed earlier. It doesn't really catch the nail, and normally I'd probably be able to buff something like that out. But I'm just going to show you guys that don't have buffers and all that, how this works. So first you take the compound, make sure it doesn't have a seal under the cap. It does, so take that seal off. Ugh, come on. It's really on there. Okay, so there's the directions. You can pause it and read that if you want. It basically says just rub the area for 30 seconds. So we'll put a little dab on the microfiber. And we'll start compounding the scratch. Obviously a machine polisher is going to work a lot better, but I'm just trying to show how the kit itself works. Okay, should be about long enough. That's just to smooth out the area, so yeah, that is nice and smooth now, and I can see like all the, yeah. Okay, so after that's been done, what's the next step? This is wipe off residue. Wrap 2 layers of the applicator cloth around the foam block. Let's take the applicator cloth out of this box. This is wrap 2 layers, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half. And there we go. We've got 2 layers wrapped around the foam block. This isn't the highest quality paper, but normally I'd use microfiber, but again, demonstration. And apply the clear coat to the applicator block enough to wet the surface. Get that out of there. So yeah, enough to wet the surface. Start several inches away from the damage, wipe light back and forth. Make sure to wipe the clear coat several inches past the repair area, and the damaged area will disappear if it's correctly applied. And then you wait 24 hours for it to cure. Okay, so kind of looks like a little ceramic coating bottle, isn't it? Nice little dropper like ceramic coating. So we go ahead and put that on there, just enough so the surface is wet. Make sure I put the lid back on. Be careful with this because this is glass. Put the lid back on. And just wipe it in. That should be it. It does look a little streaky, but it is very glossy, like I said. I do still kind of see the scratch. It didn't necessarily disappear. I guess it disappeared on camera. And if I stand back a few feet, I can't see it, but I've got, detailer's eye, so if I look up close, I can really see it. Yeah, now that it's drying, the streakiness really goes away, so I'm just going to wipe on a little bit more. Alright, now looking on the camera, that scratch is gone. Looking up here up close, again, I can still kind of see it, but yeah, it's blended in pretty well. So I'd say for a DIY kit, for somebody, if somebody that doesn't have experience removing scratches, that's pretty good. Anyways, let's go in for the final thoughts. Alright, so the Hybrid Solutions scratch repair kit, I'd say overall pretty good, especially when this, what stands out is the wipe on clear coat. That's not something you normally get. But yeah, pretty good overall. I've got no complaints about it. Personally, I could probably do a better job with a polisher and then using that stuff. But that's not what this video is about. And most people aren't going to have those tools and products and abilities. So just trying to get rid of scratches on your car, this is going to work good. You may need to, layer that up a little bit, but, you're going to be able to take care of a lot of scratches with this little bottle. And if you run out of compound, you can go buy another bottle of compound at the store. It's pretty affordable. That's all I got for you guys. If you appreciate this video or if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if there's any other scratch repair kits you've ever seen like that. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already, of course. Keep them clean. Have a good one. And I'll see you in the next video, which I already said.